Get out of my way! I'm going on a race. No, you're not. Pick up your phone right now. No. You're being bossy, and I don't want to hear that dirty mouth. I'm doing this for your own good. No, 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 please roll. What are you doing? You know, dude, how do you feel? No, bruh. Dude, have you lost your mind? Shut up. A random comment. Everyone's doing a pass gas, and you gotta go pop pass gas, pass gas. Hi, hi, hi. I got no jokes, but that. Thanks a lot. See you later.
Off that phone! You think your little pranks are funny, huh? You think they're funny? Well, what do you guys think of my prank? Ring, ring. Hello, what's that? Mordecai and Rigby are banned from using the house phone? Okay. Good luck making your prank calls now!